Okay, she's back. It's been a while though, so you guys might not know what that means, but it means that we have fun boxes to unbox. These are from May specifically. So let's roll that intro and get right into this unboxing. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived at my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark. I do sell locally at an antique mall, occasionally on other platforms like Mercari, Depop, and Facebook Marketplace. And if you haven't figured out by now, I have a very large ThredUp addiction. We have two fun boxes here. It's been a while since we've done one of these, but she usually does them with me. The fun boxes are typically 10 items. I think they're like $32 or $34 plus tax. This was before they instituted the $9.99 shipping fee because we ordered these in May. They're both from Pennsylvania, and we're gonna do a little fun box battle before we get started. If you see a nail go flying, no you didn't. So let's get right into it and see what we got in these boxes. You wanna show yours first or mine first?
I don't care.
Can you even function with those talons?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me this. $34, okay. Usually about 10 random items, almost always socks and pajamas. Do you need help? You got it. Okay, that's hers. All right, you're good. I also have paper in mine.
Can you function with those talons?
Yeah, this is mine. All right, since you showed yours first, you're up first, kid. Also, please give a warm welcome to her in the comments because it's been a while since she's been on my channel.
Slippers.
Yay.
Oh my god.
I've sold slippers before. Those look cute. You need, okay, you got it. And Chloe's playing with the paper. What do we got? Deer foams? That's what I thought they were. Deer foams slippers, okay? Those will probably sell. I think I've sold a pair before. I also got slippers.
Mine are better.
Mine are new with tags from Uniqlo. There's the tag, Uniqlo. They're a size large. They don't have the price still on them, but they're like just a gray slide. Fuzzy, okay.
Look at that, socks.
Tights, socks, are they socks?
They're socks. Which is
Cool.
why I said socks and not tights.
What brand are they?
Leg Avenue.
Oh, all right, I've sold that before too. Okay, I have a headband from Zara. It's like a black satiny material with a little knot. So it's been a while, but if you've been around, you know the rules. I have to wear this for the rest of the filming.
Well, this is in Spanish, so I can't read it.
But you're in Spanish class.
That doesn't mean I can translate flawlessly.
It looks like some kind of like shapewear or
Yeah.
something. It says reduct something, so it must be that. All right, now I got some tights. These are Anne Klein size medium large sweater knit tights. They're like a gray. All right, this is the gray box apparently for me.
A choker from an anonymous brand.
That's kind of cute. Oh look, I got a choker also.
Why are you copying me?
Vera by New York choker. Here's what it looks like. It's just a plain black and it has the gold clasp on the back.
Buffalo coasters with alcoholic beverages on them.
What does it say? Where spirits are always high or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
From Maria Studio.
I don't want to even try that either. All right, so I'm not copying you this time. This looks like it could be some glasses or something in here.
So you're still copying me.
Whatever, bro. 100% UV protection, final sale, $9.88.
Whoa.
Don't know what brand they are, but they're rose gold. Oh yeah, everything's rose gold now. Cool.
Got the rose colored filter on.
Yep. Okay, but I went first, so I didn't technically copy you.
I also got glasses from Aeropostale.
Oh.
Ugh, they are too small for my face.
Stylish. Okay. I have a pouch. It says touchscreen purse on the back, so I guess you put your phone in there and then you can see it through the little window. And it has the crossbody strap in here, which is new.
J. Crew hair clips.
Those will probably sell unless you want them.
Yeah,
but
like,
it's not really your thing. I have a belt. New with tags, $80. Who the heck is paying $80 for a belt? I don't know. Oh, Banana Republic. This is BR here. It's just like a brown, kind of like micro suede belt with a big buckle. And does it have a size? It's from fall of 2022, size small.
A purse.
Cool. Where's it from? Can you even see with those glasses on?
I can't. I just.
Doesn't-
I don't know.
Unbranded purse. Okay. I get a few of those in here too, but we'll go with this first. This is a Brazos. So be glad you didn't pick this box. This is new from Victoria's Secret. It was $48.50. It's a size 34 double D. There's the tag, and it's a black lacy number. Does it say style on here? Body by Victoria, unlined demi. Oh geez. Okay.
Some kind of bag.
Looks like it says Le Sport Sac.
Yeah.
That's a decent brand. Is it a backpack?
I think so.
Cool. All right, this kind of looks like a rip-off Burberry print. Kind of. Definitely. It has a strap in here, and I can't see with these things on my head. No brand. Just like a cheapy Burberry-inspired bag.
Darfin Paris.
I have no idea what that is.
Pouch.
That's cute. Good for makeup, I guess.
Sure.
I don't know. Okay, we got another bag. This one, I also don't see a brand anywhere. It's like a knit in the front, faux leather handles. The inside's pretty clean. Well, except for this one spot right there. But yeah, no brand. These have not been very fun. It's not a very good welcome back. Well, now it's fun. Now it's a party.
Oh yeah. My emoji.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
Backpack. I wear this.
All right, and I have a backpack from A New Day, which is Target. It's a snake or a python print.
Isn't a python a snake?
Yes, but there's like a specific pattern that's python and not just regular snake print, and I don't know what the difference is.
A python's still snake.
Yes, I'm not disagreeing with you. And clothes already in the empty box. All right, so let's count them up. 1, 2. I got 11. Same. Okay. What's your favorite item from yours? Bitmoji. I guess mine's the bra because it'll probably sell for the most out of everything that I got. But yeah.
It's a boring answer.
Yeah. Well, I'm a boring person. You should know this by now. You're gonna be 15 soon. I'm boring. This is the mother you got stuck with. So yeah, not super exciting and or fun. Maybe they've gotten better since, you know, May, because that was like 8 months ago. I could have almost popped out a baby in that time period. So
oh.
I live for the reactions of the ridiculous things that I say in these videos with her. But you know, maybe we'll order some more when I see them next come available, though that $9.99 shipping fee kind of takes the fun out of it because it's just almost not worth it at that point. But if you guys have gotten fun boxes recently, let me know how they were down in the comments down below. Maybe let us know who you thought won this fun box battle, because they were both, yeah, it's almost always her. They were both pretty mediocre. But other than that, thank you so much for watching as always. I don't know why I had so many so's in there. But if you enjoyed it at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from us. And let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see more of her on this channel. And I would be glad to, if she is willing, to bring her into some more videos. So if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here in our weird little family on the internet, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.